Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are styling the kitchen hutch for Valentine's Day. Before we get started with that though, I need to do some small preparations. I found this bundle of carnations at Walmart the other day for I think $5, and I thought it would just be really pretty to cut down to add little pops of color to the hutch. And then once we're done with this, we're going to move on to the next DIY. So on Pinterest, I found a really cute DIY Valentine using the Dollar Tree heart doilies that you can get. However, the night I went down to get those doilies, our Dollar Tree was closed due to a water pipe busting. So I took that as a sign that maybe it's not meant for me to do that. Maybe I need to do something a little bit different. I came home, played around with the idea of using regular doilies and just kind of like making them hard, whether using like starch or Mod Podge or something to kind of hold the shape. But I didn't want to do that, and I remembered that I have a ton of these postcards, and I do have a couple with red stamps on them. So as you can see, I just bundled up a couple of them and tied a coordinating color bow on them. And y'all, I'm planning on using this to style, and I think it's gonna look super cute. So this is definitely something you should try if you have a lot of these postcards.
Soft, turn the key and cool her off. This a pause for relief.
Alright, so I'm just going to use a chippy brush, mostly because I can't find my good brush. It'll get the job done, so oh well. This year, I really need to be better at organizing and putting things back where I get them. Because if you're anything like me, you get scatterbrained and never put it back. Okay, now this side, I had a cute little shelf over here, but it only hangs the top, and every time I put something on it, it wants to move around. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount it here without, it wiggling around, because it would be a really pretty spot to have like a small piece of ironstone or a lamp, or even a candlestick, something. But I just don't trust it because it moves so much. And yes, I'm painting that because IDGAF. And down here, it just gets hit a lot with shoes because this is right next to the door. So this will be one area of this hutch that I would need to scuff sand completely to get the paint to stay, because it keeps on flaking off and we don't want that. here is how everything turned out. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. I truly appreciate all of your comments and this wonderful little community we've started. Please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. I have a DIY video and I also have another thrift with me. So let me know which one you want to see first. That will be coming out in a week. I'm trying my hardest to stick to a weekly schedule. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it because I do work a full-time job, but I'm going to do the best that I can at sticking to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!